This summer, learn how supercomputing and artificial intelligence are coming together to build the future. We welcome you to the summer school on supercomputing and artificial intelligence for entrepreneurial innovation, hosted by Center for AI and Big Data at Namal University, Miami. This school will help you explore HPC architectures from national and international industrial computing experts, from edge devices to bare metal servers, and how they optimize the AI development pipeline from prototype to deployment. Master the art of parallelism to build intelligent, scalable, and indigenous clusters for applications in big data processing. Utilizing Namal Supercomputing facility, get ideas to develop real-time artificial intelligence-based systems for mobile, embedded, and edge platforms to solve community and industrial challenges in agriculture, energy, health, and education. Don't forget to register yourself to secure participation and contribute to the future of innovation.